Have you ever felt like life is racing at warp speed and you're just running alongside trying to keep up? Well, maybe it's time to slow down. Slow living is not what you're thinking of. It doesn't mean perfection. It doesn't mean having a Pinterest version of life. It's a way of life. So let's talk about what slow living actually means for busy people like you and me. Let me be honest, slow living is not what you probably are thinking of. It doesn't mean that you have a blank schedule, endless time. It doesn't mean on permanent vacation or being retired. It doesn't mean to move so slowly that you prevent yourself from moving forward. It's about being present in the moment, in taking pause to enjoy the life that is around you. It's about being intentional with your time. Instead of allowing others and work and obligations to tell you and dictate to you how busy you are going to be. Taking time to step back, pause, and think to myself, what exactly do I want my life to look like? What does slowing down and slow living mean to me? And being intentional with your choices. Slow living is about not prioritizing doing, but instead shifting to prioritizing being. I used to think that being busy was measure of my success. I really wore my busy schedule like a badge of honor. And if anyone asked me how I was, the first words out of my mouth were always busy. And maybe I felt like if I wasn't busy, then I was somehow lazy, or I was being perceived rather of being lazy. Because let's face it, in our society, busy is praised. Slow is looked down upon. There's always this pull. Even now, even after I've been practicing slow living for so many years, there is a constant pull to keep going faster, to soak up every minute of every day and fill it all with everything all the time. And maybe it's because I'm measuring myself by everyone else, that I don't want to be considered a failure. And also, I've been busy and overscheduled my life, my entire adult life. And so at this point, it's habitual. Being busy has been my norm for decades. I think we have forgotten how to reconnect, how to slow down, how to pause. Pause not only with our activities, but also pause in our minds and to find stillness. An affirmation that I like is that I give myself permission to slow down and breathe. It was sunsets that taught me that beauty sometimes only lasts for a couple of moments. And it was sunrises that showed me that all it takes is patience to experience it all over again. Remember that slow living is not about perfection. It's about intentions. And regardless of the status quo of faster is better, you can slow down. Give yourself permission to just be. Have a beautiful day, my friend.